Okay, so Dad's got a private super fan message here today for my coworker Celeste, who just loves bombardiering. Dad, what do you want to say to her?
Celeste, this is a shout out for you. I got two bombardiers in the yard and two coming. So if you're short of one, we could probably help you out. But right now I'm working on a swamp buggy.
Yeah.
And you don't have a swamp buggy. And I suggest that you put that on your order for Christmas.
Yeah.
We're going to go out here in a few minutes and I'm going to show you all about it.
Okay. So there you go. So Celeste is a proud new owner of her fourth Bombardier. She told me she was so proud this morning that her husband surprised her early for Christmas that she got a fourth Bombardier. And they got a really good deal on it. And apparently there's only one tree growing through it. So she's happier than hell that she got a good deal on it. But anyways, yeah, her husband collects Bombardiers, and so she just loves hearing my voice on the videos in his garage first thing in the morning while she's drinking her coffee. And so everybody say hello to Celeste in the comments so that she knows that she's loved and she's part of the Bombardier community.
This is one of the few girls that know all about a Bombardier.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so Friday, November 21st, and Dad's going to explain what he's been doing here the last couple of days because we've just been shooting real quick and want to make sure we get the full update here on a Friday. What's going on?
Well, Celeste, there's the new windows
Yeah,
and the new rubbers over here for this swamp buggy.
okay.
And I suggest you get a swamp buggy because if you get stuck with a Bombardier, you can drive right up with
Yeah.
this and pull it up.
Well, she's got 4 Bombardiers now. Maybe she needs 2 swamp buggies, right? So there's the gas cap.
This is a swamp buggy under construction. Everything is going to be done. This is painted here with one kind of paint, and the second part's going to be black with the top of the line paint.
Okay.
Got new tracks under it,
Yeah.
all good wheels, bearings, and we're going to put a V8 motor in here. All the side covers and everything are painted.
Okay.
We stick the cab on after we get the motor in,
Yeah.
and she's away.
So this should be pretty easy driving then for Celeste. You just turn the key and go.
Turn the key and go.
So there you hear it, Celeste. We got one machine parked out front and the other one under construction here. I'll sell you 2 for the price of 2. And you can add this to your Bombardier fleet. 4 snow bus Bombardiers and 2 Muskeg Tractor Bombardiers. So as you can see, Dad has painted the front here and the sides. And like he said, he was going to put in the a different color paint on this. And he's already got the side walls done on the inside here as well and the front. So yesterday this was just Varsoled, and it dried out enough overnight that he could do the painting there. So he's been pretty busy with all this, and we've got the 2 Bombardiers in the yard, the narrow gauge and the wide gauge. One of them has to roll in here. I don't know yet. Maybe I can try and convince Dad tomorrow to maybe hold off so we can at least get that installed so that we've got a place to go. But he needs engine mounts, I know that much, and there's needs a drive shaft too. But let's take a look at what Dad's holding up here for me. This is the old,
This is how much paint is in there.
we changed this out last weekend, guys. You can't even see through it, that's how thick it is.
Pretty thick.
So Dad changed out his mask and filters yesterday, brand new mask and filters. Already put in a new filter here, and it's already turning a little shade of dark.
That's the last one.
So that's the last one. Okay, so I got to order more. But starting to organize some more stuff around here, guys, so we can clean up for the other 2 Bombardiers. Like I said, 1 coming in for sure, if not 2. Really hoping he finishes this one off so we can get it out of here, so we can move both of those machines in. But he still needs space to maneuver around here as well. So yeah, it's Friday afternoon late. Just finished work for the week. Crazy busy work for me. Dad already wants me to come out tomorrow and help give him a hand. But hopefully we can get this one done because I know a lot of guys want to see this done. Okay, check you in on the next episode, guys.
Once out of those 4, I don't know how many she has that are running good, but when they get them running, bring them over here one at a time. We'll do a final check on them.
Yeah.
So
Or have her husband invite you over so you don't have to move 4 Bombardiers at once.
We've got to bring them in here,
Yeah.
and then we can get them passed.
Oh.
Sticker on them.
Okay.
Ready to go.
There you go. Okay. So Ken, there you go. You got an open offer to come by anytime. But yeah, we're gonna. I gotta come out and help out Dad with this tomorrow, and got to get these windows in. That was a pain in the ass. That's gonna be a half a day for sure. But we're getting along here, guys. I think the paint looks good. If you think the paint looks good, let us know in the comments. And I know you guys are eager for the Bombardier snow buses to come in, so hopefully we can get this done for you guys quickly. Well, Saturday, November 22nd, and the only thing we got accomplished here today was doing a big garbage run. Threw out half a truckload of garbage. We got the cab for the 73 Muskeg Bombardier tractor off the sawhorses, moved them up. Dad moved it up to here, and that's it. I think Dad's going to start painting on that maybe tomorrow. Oh, Monday, November 24th, and if you notice, cab's on the ground. That happened on the weekend. Dad's moved up the bottom half with the tracks.
This was cord was buttered, so I put a new end on. That was
Okay.
first of all.
So he's moved this up a full body length. You can just squeeze one Bombardier in here now if we have to, if those guys suddenly show up. And
I take that fan off because the fan motor blew up overnight.
okay,
And I have an old one.
okay, perfect.
Seems to be running good.
That's been squealing if you guys haven't noticed in the videos.
And wait for it to end until we turn the tables again. So all I want you to do is put those cans of paint up.
Okay. So we're going to do some light housekeeping, and I'll tack this on to another video. Okay, just a regular Saturday morning here. Hi, baby dog. This is every morning. So we have Filipino Emily, and then we have Mila and Yeti the Edders, and Nina Pinta Santa Maria, Kitty the cat, and Charles is out in his doghouse. Yeah.